Okay, in Ross, look at this Betsy Johnson towels. So a lot of Love Day stuff. Peppermint kisses. So this one just wine and cake, or a bundt cake and a wreath. $8. 5. The spare one's kind of cute. Eat. Look at this. It's cute. $8. More love. Ross always has. Oh, look, they got married, and the bears got married. Oh, he's just so cute. I like the bow tie. I love it. See, Ross has like really cute towels, like adorable. All right, these are gonna be $25 in the ice bucket. I gotta have my hand. This is why companies don't say, "Hey, can I use your footage for our little commercial?" Sorry, I have a life, working and painting and whatever. I don't care. It's kind of funny. I've actually had some places reach out to me, but it kind of doesn't benefit me. And one promised they would put my name. They didn't put my name. They put somebody else's channel. That really ticked me off. But I signed it over, so I couldn't do anything about it. So it's like, no, that's not her channel, but whatever. $12.99
And then
here.
they got the exclusive.
Yeah, they got the supposed reviews, but look how cute. More Love Day. Look at this one with the cherry and the bow. Well, they're not cherries, you know, their heart's like a cherry. So a lot of cute stuff. $12.99. Oh, let me. Oh, you know what this is a table runner. Yeah. Oh, well, oh, it's pretty long. Normally they're short. Look at this one with your strawberries. 28. I mean, yeah, it's beaded. There's one more right here. Let me pull this one up. Can we put it on top of this strawberry one? Same price. Really cute. And the table, is that a tablecloth?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
It's like really large. It's $10, like a Paris one though. I thought I found a Love Day one. Oh, here's a dog eat Love Day. We've seen most of these Christmas.
Every time you say Love Day, I think of Blue's Clues. That's what they don't call it Valentine's Day. They call it Love Day.
I just call it Love Day because, you know, it's Love Day.
I think it's funny.
Love is all you need. That's right. And 15. Do you guys really think you could die of a broken heart? I read so many stories about that. I don't even know why I'm reading stories about that. But I'm like, I was trying to find like the facts for it, like the scientific facts for it. So I was like, and they say you could see it in a X-ray, or not an X-ray, but like one of those. It might have been X-ray.
Well, I know.
15.
I remember when my aunt died. My uncle, who wasn't even sick, died a week later.
Oh.
Just died.
$12.99. That's terrible.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that table runner. Love is all around. $18.99. And you know what? There is somebody. I truly believe though, there is somebody for everybody. And I know people be like, no, there's not, because I did know somebody. She passed not that long ago, but she died alone, and I felt very bad for her. And she was young.
I think she just gave up.
And I think, yeah, this person I feel like gave up. And when they passed, you know, they were just surrounded by like general family, but they didn't have like a kid or a loved one, you know what I mean? And it was just sad. It was sad. But I truly believe there is someone for everyone. I mean, come on, we've seen the doggiest of dogs out there on social media. They have a girlfriend, and she's like a committed person, but they're just a dog.
I think it's easier for women because I mean, you could look at Quasimodo and you still got a guy.
Okay.
A guy.
What?
A guy could look like Quasimodo and he's alone. Yeah, so.
10. You know what? Funny that you said that. I ran across somebody's video that was talking about how it's easier for girls.
It is.
Or something like that. He was using like slang calling them chopped. I guess chopped means you're not good looking. I'm like, okay. But he was talking, I think he was talking about guys or girls. He was like, he was saying he sees the most prettiest girls out there with chopped boyfriends. But if you're a chopped girl, he said, that's what he said. Okay, no one take offense. I'm going off what he said. He said, if you're a chopped girl, it is harder for you to get a boyfriend. But the guys who are chopped could get a pretty girlfriend. Kind of like what you just said.
It's true. I mean, if you got it,
75.
there's going to be a guy somewhere that wants it.
Okay. 20 blankets here. These are really nice. These are really nice. $17. Look at all the different patterns too. This one has horses on it. This is a green one. That's pretty cool. Diet Coke in the house. Give me a... You know what I do? I like Diet Cherry Coke. Can we get Diet Cherry Coke in the house?
Well, I mean, just
$29.99. We have it in gray too. Oh my gosh. So much red. So much red. You guys, don't crash out, okay? I was crashing out the other day because of work and everyone having finals. My teen's crashing out, texting me. It's like, she's like, I can't log in. It won't let me log in to take my final. And I keep resetting my password. Like, I was like 30 minutes in the car trying to like help the best I can. $11.99. I'm like, go tell that teacher. You know what I mean? And it wasn't working. She was so mad. And she's like, I'm gonna cry. And I'm like, don't cry. And then, but we were trying to figure out how to reset these passwords because nobody was getting a code in your email. And then it took us a long time in spam. I'm like, why would they send it to spam?
it took me forever.
It took forever.
Alone because she wouldn't press the button.
Yeah, well, she was in class, and I'm like, just press it.
Press the dang button.
$10. So hopefully, crossing my fingers, it worked. We reset a password for some programs she had to use. I helped her. Went to spam. I haven't heard back yet, so hopefully that means she's taking it. Okay, we have the cat one. But yeah, don't crash out, you guys. It's almost done. It's almost done. I know college. I know all that stuff. It's almost done. 7. Okay. And $8.99. Okay, the presents. We've seen these jars and Santa. Let me come over here. A warmer. I'm looking. Is that a candle? That is a candle. How funny, right? How funny is that? Actually, I found a candle for a gift and I went back to go get it. It was ruined. There was only one left, but that one I wanted was ruined. Here's a Magic 8 one. A croissant. I believe this one smells not so great. I'm going to smell it right now. It kind of has like a honey bread.
Yeah, it does.
Because the ones in TJ Maxx,
Marshmallow smell too.
yeah, it kind of has like, sorry, my hand. Almost has like a marshmallowy honey scent. I know TJ Maxx by that one brand, Good Feeling or Feeling Good, whatever. Some of those candles stink like gym socks, straight up feet. I'm not even joking. But that was not my favorite, but it did have a sweetness. All right, check this one out. This is 7, $22. Love. And I know we've been finding a lot of these Hello Kitties. Just did a video on that, so I'm just gonna, you know what, I'll tell you. I will tell you a price because I know different people pop in at different times. 17 by Blue Sky, and then one with her sandcastle. 22. You have the lion, the elephant. There's one heart. Few candles. These are $8.99. I also have it in red. Looks like something I made in clay. 5, but it's wood. 5, and we pull this one out. 7. $10 mosaic candle holder. Look at this gold one. You can put candy or like potpourri or anything you want in there.
I kind of old gas tank, like a gas tank.
Yeah,
like
I kind of love these dimpling effects. $8. This was $8.99. $10 for this cupcake.
I think he should just pass it.
And then strawberry shortcake. These are 10 on the strawberry shortcake one. You have one with a little mocha on it. This gumdrop one's kind of cute. Oh, look at this pie. Cherry pie. $7 or ice cream cone.
Looks like
15 for Betsy Johnson. I got the pink ones. There's a Wicked shower curtains for $6.50. Wrangler has bath towels. Oh, that's a fun print. Wouldn't think it was Wrangler though. These are $12.99 with the alligator. Juice Couture towels with the bow, $8.99. BCBG, more of the alligator red. They have the stripy one, a Nautica. They got it in pink too. I don't know, my daughter's really fascinated with the alligator. She's like, I want this alligator in my house. I'm like, okay. Champion Twin, 17. BCBG Juicy is $22. There's this one for $35. A bluey in here. Oh, there's like a, I don't know. This is 17. Hello Kitty and friends. A lot of fuzzy blanket. It's a bluey again. Rachel Zoe. Mark New York. It's not really soft though. It looks soft, but it's not. 55 for that one. And then strawberry shortcake right here for 17. Clarks are 25. These are actually kind of nice in the men department. $3.99 for Jaws socks. So if you want fun socks, they have them. Have the Grinch, Rugrats, Beavis and Butthead, $10.99. All the Gary. Bluetooth speaker, a projector, $12.99. This is 100 on the JBL. They have something very similar in Sam's Club where you sleep on. These are kind of cute. $10.99. Hello Kitty, strawberry shortcake, the Grinch. A lot of Ed Hardy in here. Yeah, they're just filled. They're pretty much the same thing. 2 zipper on the side, $28. We have a backpack here for $27. And the Sam is $20 by Wrangler. Look at the side. Removable strap. You could carry it as a shoulder bag too. Then you have a thick strap. It's Reebok one I haven't seen, but it looks like it collects like a lot of dust in here. Fuzzy one. True Religion. Am I right? I'm right. More Ed Hardy. And has the belt. Find out. I don't know who makes it, but 20, and that's on alarm, huh? Steve Madden. This one's kind of cute. 35 is the True Religion one. When you get the long chain, you can remove that too if you really want to. 35, more True Religion. And Wrangler, $22 and a thick strap. Oh, this is kind of cool. 21. $21.99, so 22. Look at this groovy one. It's by Wrangler for 25. Let me turn it around. Kind of stuck. Kind of stuck. Ooh. Ooh, come again. There we go. tons of Wrangler. 20. Pull this one out. 22 by the brand Alyssa. So blue one, 20. 27. Clarins, $80. Okay, this could be a gift. There's like 2 different types to choose from. And you get the pouch. The set is different. $4.77. Although in the cherry, these are 15. Ed Hardy umbrellas. I mean, hey, you gotta keep one in your car. 10. And these are all bag charms, which I feel like we've seen. You know, the cupcake, a martini. The pizza one. Takeout. It's like a takeout food one. I think these are $16.99. And then $12.99 at Hardy. Guests in here, 37. We have Clinique. These little mini ones are cute. They're 10. Jimmy Choo. There's also a Coach one if you could find it. Okay, somebody's video had Tiffany at Ross. Okay, I've seen everything else, but not Tiffany at Ross. I've seen it at TJ. Bracelet. You know, you have to look in here. I normally skip by it, but there's been really nice stuff popping up. It's like crosses, chains. These are 15. Ed Hardy one for 25. Then more chains here. Okay. Some of these are 15. These Nautica ones are pretty nice too. I want to say these Steve Madden watches are 22, but that's a really nice one, I think, this blue one. True Religion. Looks like Michael Kors right here for $59.99 in the red. These are $12.99. $12.99. Okay. Nana crosses.
You don't have your phone.
Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this Ross location. Please stay safe out there. Please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out in the YouTube land. It just pushes out my video where it could be found, you know, the shopping area. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.